How to create a budget that aligns with your goals. 1. Why budgeting is the foundation of financial success. Budgeting isn't just about tracking where your money goes. It's about taking charge of your finances and ensuring every dollar serves a purpose. A well-structured budget helps you achieve your financial goals, reduces stress, and gives you the freedom to spend intentionally. 2. Step 1. Define your financial goals. Before diving into numbers, take a moment to identify what you're working towards. Are you saving for a house, a car, or an emergency fund? Do you want to pay off debt or build wealth for retirement? Your goals will shape how you allocate your money. Writing them down makes them more tangible and keeps you motivated. 3. Step 2. Calculate your monthly income. Knowing your income is critical for creating a realistic budget. Include your salary or wages after taxes, side hustles or freelance earnings, any additional income streams like investments or passive income. This total represents what you have to work with each month. 4. Step 3. Track your current spending. To align your budget with your goals, you need to know where your money is currently. Break your expenses into 2 categories. Fixed expenses, rent, utilities, insurance, loan payments. Variable expenses, groceries, dining out, subscriptions, and entertainment. Use tools like budgeting apps, bank statements, or spreadsheets to get a clear picture. 5. Step 4. Analyze and prioritize your expenses. Compare your spending habits to your income and ask yourself, are there areas where you're overspending? Can you cut back on non-essential expenses like dining out, impulse purchases, or streaming services? Prioritizing helps you allocate funds toward your goals instead of wasting them on unnecessary expenses. 6. Step 5. Choose a budgeting method. Find a budgeting approach that fits your lifestyle. 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar a job until your income minus expenses equals 0. Custom budget. Design a plan that works specifically for your unique goals. Step 6. Automate savings and payments. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts or investment funds. This ensures your goals are prioritized without relying on willpower. Similarly, automate bill payments to avoid late fees and improve financial discipline. 8. Step 7. Monitor and adjust regularly. Your budget isn't static, it evolves as your life changes. Review it monthly to track your progress toward your goals. Make adjustments for unexpected expenses or changes in income. Consistency is key to long-term success. 9. Tips for staying on track. Celebrate small wins like reaching a savings milestone. Stay flexible. Life can be unpredictable, and it's okay to adjust. Use tools like apps or spreadsheets to simplify tracking. 10. Conclusion. Aligning your budget with your life. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about freeing yourself to spend on what truly matters. By aligning your budget with your financial goals, you're setting the stage for a secure and fulfilling future. Start today and watch how intentional money management transforms your life. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.